welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create this makeup look. I know this is something really different to what I do normally. I thought the videos that I've been doing previously looks very similar, so I thought I'll try something new. Please do let me know if you want me to do more tutorials, videos like this in the future. So please keep on watching. So first I'm going to apply some foundation. The one I'm using is from Huda Beauty in the shade Macchiato. So I'm just going to apply this with a damp beauty blender all over my face. I am using a lot of foundation, guys. This is only because I wanted to achieve full coverage for this look. On a daily basis, I don't even apply any foundation. When I do, I just apply one layer. And I know this shade seems very light on my skin color, but bear with me. Once I contour and bronze my face, it will look fine. And make sure to apply some on your neck as well and blend it out thoroughly so that it will all look same color. Next, with a Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Walnut, I'm going to use this to contour my face. You guys know the drill. I use this to contour most of the time as it's a full coverage and it gives a strong contour look. And I'm using a BH Cosmetic blending brush to blend this out. I am not blending this completely as I want the contour to look sharp. Now with a damp beauty blender, this is a small one, I'm just using this to blend that out a little bit more. Next, I'm going to highlight my face. I'm just going to highlight under my eyes. So I'm using a YSL highlighter pen in the shade number 2 to do this. And I'm going to blend that out with the same small beauty blender. Now to set my under eyes, I'm using a Beignet Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. And I'm going to bake this, so I'm applying plenty of product under both my eyes. And I'm also going to apply this below the contour to get more defined look. In the meantime, I'm going to quickly fill in my brows. The brow gel I'm using is from Anastasia. You guys know I use this in most of my makeup tutorials. And I'm going to quickly fast forward this because you have seen this a million times and you guys know how I fill in my eyebrows. For those who doesn't know, I will put the link down below, so please go and check that out. Now my eyebrows are done, so I'm going to quickly brush off all the excess powder using a BH Cosmetic brush. As you guys can see, my face looks a lot better and the foundation shade blended in. Next, I'm using a eyeshadow base and this is from MAC. And again, you guys know I use this in most of my tutorial. So I'm going to apply this on both my eyes. Next, from the new Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette, I'm using the shade Man Eater and I'm applying this all over my lid. With eyeshadows, it's all about blending, guys, so please take your time and blend it out. And if you're not happy with it, just please take your time and blend it out because the finish outcome will not look nice if your eyeshadow is not blended properly. Next, I'm taking the shade Doll Face and I'm applying this on my lid and also on my bottom lash line. Next, I'm taking the shade Pink Diamond and I'm going to apply this with a flat brush from MAC. This is a synthetic brush and I'm applying this on my tear ducts and also to highlight my brow bone. Next, I'm going to do a magic. Ta-da! Got my lashes on. Next, from Miss Rose Blusher Palette, I'm just going to take the pink shade and I'm going to apply this on my cheeks. Next, I actually highlighted my face, which I've forgotten to record. So I basically highlighted my nose, top of my lips, and some on my chin as well. And I'm also applying some highlighter on my collarbone. Next is my favorite part. I'm going to apply a green lip liner from Maybelline. This is a metallic shade and I'm actually going to line my lips and also fill in with this. Next, to get the ombre effect, I'm using a lighter green eyeshadow and I'm just applying this on my center of the lips. Ta-da! And here it is, guys. This is the complete look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this look. Please let me know by commenting down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.